Good morning children. Welcome to GK class. And today's our topic is my body. Look here children. What can you see here? Here we can see one boy picture. So let's see the parts of body. What is this? This is a head. What are these? These are eyes. What is this? This is a nose. What are these? These are ears. What is this? This is a mouth. And what are these? These are shoulders. What are these? These are hands. Look here children, what are these? These are fingers. What is this? This is an elbow. What is this? This is a stomach. What are these? These are legs. And what can you see here children? What are these? These are knees. What is this? This is a foot. And what are these? These are toes. These all are the body parts. Now I am going to show you some body parts. Look here children. What is this? This is a head. And how many head do you have? We have one head. What are these? These are eyes. And how many eyes do we have? We have two eyes. And what is the use of our eyes? Yes, we can see with our eyes. What is this? This is a tongue. How many tongues do you have children? Yes, only one tongue. And we can feel with our tongue different tastes. Like sugar will be sweet, bitter gourd will be bitter, chili will be spicy, and lemon will be sour. Like that, we can feel different tastes with our tongue. Look here children. What are these? These are ears. And how many ears do we have? We have two ears. One, two. Yes. And what is the use of our ears? Because of ears, we can hear. Yes, all of you, we can hear because of our ears. See here, what is this? This is a mouth. And how many mouth do you have? We have only one mouth. And what is the use of your mouth? We can eat with a mouth. We can talk. What is this? This is a nose. How many noses do we have? We have one nose. And what is the use of our nose? Yes, because of our nose, we can smell and breathe with our nose. Look here children, what are these? These are legs. And how many legs do we have? One, two. Two legs. We have two legs. Then what are the uses of our legs? We can walk and run with our legs. And look here children, see down, what are these? These are toes. See here, in one leg we can see 5 toes and another leg, another 5 toes. So, totally we have 10 toes. Look here children, what are these? These are hands. How many hands do we have? We have 2 hands. So, what is the use of our hands children? Yes, tell me. Yes, we can write, we can eat, we can draw, we can color with a hand. We can eat with a hand. And what are these? These are fingers. 5 fingers in one hand and 5 fingers in another hand. Totally 10 fingers. We have totally 10 fingers. These are the some of the body parts. So based on that body parts, today we are going to do an activity. All of you look at the blackboard. See here. Take a paper, white paper, and on that paper you put your hand like this. Yes. Then take a pencil and trace your hand. From here you should trace, children. On the white paper you should trace your hand. Like this you should trace, children. Yes. After tracing, fill the color inside part with brown. After filling the color, take the watercolor of green and put your pointer finger in it and print all the leaves. I have done same. Look here, children. Like this you should do. Trace your hand, fill the color with brown, and like this you should put your finger printing, so that, look here, children, it's becoming like a tree. If you want to make it more colorful, see, I did the same. I have done same, children. If you want to become more colorful it, trace your hand, color inside, then take yellow, green or red color, deep into colors, and put the finger impressions here. Finger printing, do the finger printing. Like this you should do, children. And after that, now I am going to tell you another activity. All of you look at the blackboard. I see with my, what, children? Eyes. Which picture is it? Eyes. So take the eyes picture and stick here. Next, I hear with my, take the ears picture and stick here. Now read, I see with my eyes, I hear with my ears. Next, I smell with my, take the nose picture and stick here. I smell with my nose. I eat with my, take the mouth picture and stick here. I eat with my mouth. Next, I taste with my, take the tongue picture and stick here. I taste with my tongue. I write with my, take the hands picture and stick here. I write with my hands. I walk with my, take the legs picture and stick here. I walk with my legs. The same activity I have done, children. Look here. Like this you should do. I have these pictures. That's why I stuck these pictures, children. If you have, you to stick. Otherwise, you can draw the pictures. Yes? All of you do the activity and learn about any 5 body parts. Bye, children.